Hello everyone, and thank you for joining my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to replace or swap out a motherboard. One thought it was a CPU, but normally it's a motherboard before it's the processor. In my experience, you very seldom replace the processor. Normally it's the motherboard. So we went ahead on the asus Z170 Gaming Pro. We got a new board in it, and it's up and running. So enjoy the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just below, just click on the subscribe button. You can also give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. So let's get at it. Here we pulled this motherboard out of this custom case here. We're going to, in this segment, we're going to replace this motherboard and put her all back together. Okay. Processor is going to be fine. Leave that right in the board. We stripped the board with the memory, all the memory and so forth. We got the same type of board. Let's set this to the side. Shield there. Ahead. Get it the right way. So a little mark on the board, little mark showing you which way it goes, and the arrow on the processor. So let's get the heat sink on here. And with the blade side. Okay. CPU in this one. And heat sink, fan, and all that stuff. And then we hooked it up here using his power supply from his case, which I'm going to have to install and do the cabling next. But anyway, so I hooked up the board with the leads, and then I also went ahead, keyboard, mouse, and a HDMI cable. So now let's fire this up and see what we have. One hooked up a power switch from another old case. So let's get power to the board and let's turn it on, and it's on. Alright. No hard drive or anything, but let's see what we get on the screen. Oh yeah. We should come up and right into BIOS. Okay. Looks good. The BIOS. Alright. Now ready to go ahead and put it in the case. Do the cable management and hook up the hard drives and get it all ready for the customer. So I got all the wiring all put on the back side so I can do a little bit of cable management. As you can see, we've got all this that we have to run through once we replace the board in there. So let's get started and drop this board inside. Let's carefully get the board. And as you can see, these are standoffs, see, for the board. And each board is different, but these are removable. So you can set them so that they match all the holes on the board. Okay. So we're going to spit this board in, kind of a 45-degree angle. All right. Let's tighten in the board. Don't have to snug them real tight, just basically till it stops. I think there's 8 on this board. 8 screws. 3 6-inch to the top. A little bit of fun. And last one. Should be it. Okay. Let's stand this one up. Okay. Let's see if we can feed the board. And we'll do the cable management in the back. So we'll just put the main cables in. Let me do a slight bend in this to the board. Okay. Easy want to do it till we hear a snap. There. Toughest one is going to be in the very top corner. Usually you can come back to the top through here, but there's no opening because the board is large and sits all the way towards the top. So we want to get to this bit socket right here. This cable. There we go. Okay, so we now have it in the box. We went ahead and did the cabling, the BIOS and all that's been updated, and here we're just doing the Windows updates. Make sure all the updates are up and running, and then this gentleman can pick it up. The Z170 Pro gaming board is in. Replace the old board. And this will conclude the installation of the replacement board for a custom system. Thanks for watching.